After months of waiting, I finally got my hands on the Valeton GP5, and it's quite cute. It's heavier than I initially thought, but it's cute and can be powered with a USB cable to your charger or a power bank. So I connected it to the mobile app through the Bluetooth, and I went through some of the parameters. I renamed my device and checked out foot switch options, and also you can download updates, firmware updates through the app. So over here I went through different presets on the board, and they are quite interesting.